Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this photo to become this one. On the left side will be the picture of the portrait of a cheerful and smiley girl, and after using the special prompt, this picture can be transformed into this dreamy and stunning underwater photography. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that I will use here is the Google AI Studio, and here I would like to try the Nano Banana, which is the tool that has been provided by this Google AI Studio. However, if you would like to try another AI platform, it is very okay and you can do the exploration with it. And here we will also share you the prompt to create this photo transformation, guys. And don't forget to do the login first with your email if you would like to use this Google AI Studio. And you can have the chance to access the Nano Banana. You can click this try Nano Banana, and after that you can upload the picture of yours. And for example, I would like to choose this one. And in this section, I will start to put my prompt like this. And basically the prompt will be like this: transform this portrait photo into the ethereal underwater photography style. And also the person keeps the same pose and clothing as in the original photo. However, her eyes are gently closed and her hair appears naturally wet and floating underwater. And she is submerged in a clear turquoise water with the soft sunlight rays passing through the surface and also creating a dreamy light reflection on her skin. And also the floating pastel pink flower, this is the flower petals around her. And also the image should look soft and cinematic and slightly dreamy with a smooth skin tone, natural bubbles, and also the gentle underwater lighting. And also keep the face realistic and true to the original person, not cartoon or anime. Basically, you don't have to put this one, just keep it the original person. And also high resolution, soft focus, professional underwater photo aesthetic. For example, I will start to remove this one. And you can continue to click run. Basically, this is the prompt that I used before to create this transformation, guys. And if you would like to try this prompt, you can also have a chance to have a little bit different look. However, it's still in the one theme or in the one purpose of this prompt. And as you can see, this is the different look after using the same prompt. And you can also refine the look by clicking this rerun this turn in this section or this section to get the better photo or the better look that you want. For example, this kind of a little bit or much better than I have before. And after that, you can continue to click download and it will be ready to share into your favorite social media. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.